Teamwork and TestLodge integrate seamlessly, allowing for tasks to be created automatically whenever a test fails. Let's take a look at how it all works.
Firstly, we need to grant TestLodge access to your Teamwork Projects account. We can do this by selecting Issue Trackers from the side menu and choosing to create a new integration. Choose Teamwork from the dropdown and enter your authentication details to provide access. From here, we need to associate a TestLodge project with one in Teamwork. This is where your tasks will be created. To do this, edit a TestLodge project and select the Teamwork integration that you just set up. Choose the correct project ID from the list and save the changes. Now, when we create a test run from an existing suite, whenever a test fails, TestLodge will automatically create a task in Teamwork, taking away the tedious job of manually creating them. Additionally, we can also set other Teamwork options, such as the list or column to create the task in, as well as the assigned user and priority, directly from TestLodge. If you'd rather update an existing task, just associate it with the test, and TestLodge will add a comment to this existing ticket instead of creating a new one.
Let's quickly jump over to Teamwork, where tasks for the failed tests have been created, all of which contain the relevant and important information for a developer to replicate and fix the issue. Once all issues are resolved, we can go back to TestLodge and choose to rerun all the failed tests to verify any fixes. There are some other pretty cool features too. You'll have the ability to request TestLodge to pull back the Teamwork task status of all failed tests within a test run. Not only that, but you can rerun tests based on the result in TestLodge as well as the task status in Teamwork. This means we could create a rerun with all tests that failed which have completed tasks in Teamwork. When executing the rerun, if a Teamwork task has already been created for the test, TestLodge will update this instead of creating a new one. You can even move the Teamwork task to a different list or column, or just mark it as complete directly from TestLodge. And that's all there is to it. Head over to testlodge.com and sign up for a free 30-day trial.